Hello, I'm Jamie Lewis, and as an online business person, I know how hard it can be to get your marketing business rolling. I'd like to show you something. Yesterday, that was only 320 sales, okay? At $47 each, so that's 320 people who purchased something for $47. For years, people have been traveling great distances to try to meet with me to find out what niches I'm in that yield such huge profits. I mean, heck, one time I was at the grocery store and a YouTube fan, he got me cornered.
Oh my God. Dude, I follow like all your courses and stuff. Like, I'd be homeless if it wasn't for you.
And within that small time frame that we spoke, I spilled the beans. I had no choice. This guy was persistent. I only wanted to get some steaks. But you know what I did? I simplified my instruction to one secret niche. I just gave him one example and an incredibly easy traffic source that converts. Now, this guy lives down the street from me in my small rural town. So I was able to check in with him from time to time, and man, this dude done big things online. His name is Matthew Sabia. You might have heard of him now. Matt soon after had amassed an empire. Everything from having a YouTube channel with over 50,000 subscribers and videos with over 1 million views, to bringing in over $30,000 a month with these weird niches, all from his house that he owns at 22 years old, using my weird niches. And with some of my niches, you get paid first as an advance, sometimes up to $5,000. And then some other times, you get paid when someone fills out a form. Like, you'll get paid even if they don't buy anything, CPA style. I'm not getting commissions from weight loss products or credit repair offers. I'm getting paid from the weird hidden niches that sell like crazy with less competition, where the hardest part is finding them. And there's more. I might live in a small town here, but it seems everywhere that I go, I run into one of my students. I'm here with one of my protege students. I ran into him at the deli. That's how it goes on the internet. Sometimes you run into people that are in your class. So anyway, this is Jason P. Say hello.
Cool. Hey, what's up, Connor? How's it going?
How's business?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah? He's very shy.
Jamie knows everything.
And the hungry fans, they continue to stop by. Heck, I don't blame them. The frustration, the time commitment, finding the offers to promote, and thinking you're stuck with a certain way of running traffic, the lack of income from your hard work. The sacrifice. We've all been there. Doing it alone is hard to do. You don't have a roadmap to where all the niches are and where all the good traffic sources are. You're doing it alone, and it's going to take years. The roadblocks like integrating your autoresponder, setting up your website, submitting your name servers, and activating software, from now on, you don't need to do any of that. So after thoughtful consideration, I created a map for all of my fans that would give everyone the actual coordinates to these weird niches, what they are, and how to promote each one to get fast results. And I did this with my student, Matthew Sabia. Zero technical experience needed. This has nothing to do with SEO, article writing, or other time-consuming Verschlugna. No coding or design skills needed, and this is 100% newbie-friendly. Getting traffic, leads, and sales has never been easier. And it's a simple 3-step process to build your 5, 6, or even 7-figure online business with affiliate offers from home. Matthew and I, we put together a comprehensive members-only experience to get you that quick start in an anti-learning curve style. A membership that is more exclusive, kept hidden, and only shared by a handful of my closest joint venture partners. So if you're on this page right now, you are in the money, my friend. Ask anyone about it. The hardest part about affiliate marketing is finding the niches and the traffic sources. That's why you need a commission map. We're talking 24/7 passive residual income, baby. Plugging in a campaign in the wrong niche and the wrong traffic source always ends in an epic fail. Your wife or husband yelling at you, telling you that you're wasting your time, you're gambling, or you got scammed, and you're gullible. But now with Commission Map, you're going to get quick results and impress that spouse overnight. Results where you can't stop the income, even if you tried. And hey, I'll be the first to tell you that time is the most valuable asset of all. I'm not gonna rally on about how you need to put in long hours and hard work and take massive action and bust your hump for years through a trial and error process. I'm telling you, the hard part is finding them. So if we find the niches and campaigns for you, then we're talking about hours, not weeks or months or years to get up and running. So what I propose is to get yourself a membership to Commission Map below, and just take a quick look at the niches that Matt and I have put together campaigns for you. It's risk-free. I mean, we really worked hard to get you everything you need so that you don't need to drop in on my family while we're eating Christmas dinner.
Jamie! Did we not play Schubert? Did we not play Brahms? Did we not play Haydn? Did we not play Beethoven?
This is hilarious.
We did very little contemporary music.
So you might be asking right about now, well, how can you try out the Commission Map for yourself risk-free? To get real results, you'd think it would take thousands and thousands of dollars and a lot of time, right? Coaching and mentoring. I mean, you're probably thinking it would cost the amount of a car, where you'd have to finance it. Not here. I created this program as an end-all, go-to results generator for my family, friends, neighbors, and fans that travel hours to get here. So I've made this ridiculously affordable, and it's a no-brainer. I mean, it's an offer that no one in their right mind would refuse, for full access to the digital interactive Commission Map, as well as over 24 tutorials featuring myself and Matthew Sabia going over everything you need to know. So below this video, you'll see a sign up through our online retailer, Warrior Plus. Your one-time risk-free going over every payment will be processed discreetly through our retailer, warriorplus.com, and then you'll have full, immediate lifetime access to the Commission Map members area. So you have 60 days to try out Commission Map risk-free or your money back. Jump into Commission Map now, activate the system, and if you don't see profits, you can just simply press the refund button. And then you'll get your money back immediately. Don't hesitate with your life, as this opportunity is here right now, but it'll be gone real soon. So grab a hold of this life-changing opportunity while you still can. Don't gamble with the opportunity to commence a 6-figure online business for the amount of a bus ticket. You'll spend the same amount later today on a Starbucks coffee and a croissant. It's fast, simple, and easy to join, and then I'll see you in the members area. I'll see you soon, and looking forward to initiating your powerful income-generating business online. So this is Jamie Lewis, and I'm signing off.